Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make money with FIFA World Cup 2026. Okay, so the FIFA World Cup only happens once every 4 years, and in 2026, it is expected to attract billions of viewers from around the world. That means millions of people will be searching for match predictions, highlights, jerseys, travel information, fantasy football tips, and football merchandise. So, if you're a content creator, freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone looking to earn extra income online, so this event presents plenty of opportunities. So, yeah, I'm going to show you 7 legitimate ways to make money during the FIFA World Cup 2026. And some methods require a little to no investment, while others can become long term businesses even after the tournament ends. Okay, so one of the best ways to profit from the World Cup is by creating a football related content on YouTube. Okay, so you can make videos about match previews, score predictions, team analysis, player ranking, tournament news, match schedules, historical World Cup moments, and tactical breakdowns. So, if you are camera shy, you can create faceless videos using AI tools for voiceovers and editing. And once your channel qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn from ads, and you can also make money through the sponsorships and affiliate marketing. So the key is to upload consistently before and throughout the tournament. All right. Next one is the affiliate marketing. So, of course, the World Cup drives huge demand for football related products. You can promote affiliate products such as football jerseys. So, yeah, for their idols, you just have to search what kind of jerseys, boots as well, sportswear, streaming services. We also have the sports betting apps only where legal and in compliance with the platform policies. Okay. And yeah, TVs, projectors, fan merchandise. So you can share your affiliate links through YouTube descriptions, blogs, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So every purchase made through your unique link earns you a commission. All right. So next one is you can sell print on demand merchandise. So many fans love wearing football theme apparel. So using print on demand platforms, you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, tote bags. So you can use any tool about this one, and then you just have to create your own. All right, so we can design. The designs should be original and should not use the FIFA logos, official team crest, or copyrighted player images unless you have permissions. So instead, you can create football inspired designs, national color themes, or generic fine merchandise. So the print on demand company handles the production and shipping for you. All right. So next one is you can offer freelance services. So during the FIFA World Cup, sports pages, brands, and media companies need additional content. So if you have skills in like video editing, graphic design, social media management, copywriting, thumbnail design, AI content creation, so you can offer your service on Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer. So all you have to do is you just have to create your account, and then you just have to build a profile, and then you just have to tell the people that you are offering this kind of services, and the company might be able to contact you, or you can also apply for a specific job. Okay, so many clients look for freelancer who can produce football related content quickly during the tournament. Next one is you can start football blog or website. So you can build a niche website focused on match schedules, predictions, player statistics, team news, travel guides for fans, stadium information. So once your website receives traffic, you can monetize it through display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored articles, email marketing, and the digital products. All right, so publishing helpful content before entering the World Cup can attract significant search traffic. All right, and the next one is you can sell digital products. So, digital products require no inventory and can be sold repeatedly. Examples: match prediction spreadsheets, tournament planners, printable World Cup calendars, football trivia ebooks. We also have fantasy football trackers, viewing party planners, and social media template for sports pages. So you can use any kind of online tool online so that you can create this kind of digital products that you can sell. So you can sell them through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. So if you already have your own website, then you just have to sell it there, and then you can promote the link using your social media accounts like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. All right. So next one is you can build a football community. So instead of relying on one time views, you can build a community of football fans. So you can grow a Facebook group, a Telegram channel, a Discord server, a WhatsApp community, an email newsletter, and match the discussions, predictions, breaking news, live commentary, fantasy football advice. So, as your audience grows, you can earn through sponsorships, affiliate partnerships, premium memberships, and your own products or services. So, yeah, before you start, remember that FIFA owns trademarks, logos, official match footage, and many other intellectual property rights. So, you have to avoid uploading copyrighted match clips, using official logos without permissions, or implying that you're officially affiliated with FIFA. So instead, you can create your original commentary analysis, educational content, and a fan focused material. So this approach is both safer and more sustainable. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.